Okay, in this session, we're gonna open this too, because this is cracked up when I bought it. So we're gonna open the RX-7 and this Holden Commodore. I believe this car was used in Australia. I think the Aussies love this car, and it was also in Asia somewhere, and India, and in somewhere in Africa. So let's go ahead and crack this open. Well, this one's already cracked open, so that's why I got this. It's because it was waiting for me to just open it up. So this one is like a drift RX-7. So let's see, this one came from Malaysia. I always like the livery on this guy. The previous one was color blue. So based on the front fascia of this RX-7, it was a drift. It's a drift Hot Wheel. So it says that. I'm gonna open up the Commodore Holden. So let's go ahead and crack this open. Okay. Is that a license plate? SSV. If you can comment what that SSV mean, I have no idea. Let's see, what is that? Oops, sorry. Oh, is that a certain type of model? Holden SSV. Single valve something. Cool. Let's open the window. Let's look inside. All right. I like the 5 spokes. This is waiting to be modified or customized. I wonder how I'm gonna change this. I always love box type of a car. So easy for them to be modified or repainted.